Hey, how you doing? Alex Merrill, Alliance Tutoring. We're going to continue our series on introductions. Today, we're going to talk about things not to do in the introduction. Number one, what you want to do is avoid using quotations from the text. Here's an example. The red viper drank poison from the pea-soaked rug and then took a nice long nap in Shangri-La at Deputy 25. You don't want to quote in the introduction because that's not really the place for the analysis that you're going to be doing in the essay. Unless you have a darn good reason why to put a quotation in the essay, you want to avoid that. That's really going to be for the body paragraphs. Secondly, overly vague statements. You want to avoid saying things like, from the beginning of time, mankind has been happy and not sad like ever. The tendency is to start an essay, particularly in the first line, with a very generic and open-ended statement like that. You're not really doing much to sort of forward what you're going to be focused on in the essay. You want it to be a little bit more focused than that. Lastly, you want to avoid plot summary. Remember, keep in mind, you want to assume that the reader of your essay has already read the work that you're talking about. Really, the essay is going to be talking about an argument made on the book itself, on some of the themes, some of the stylistic devices of the author, some of those meta categories, not plot, story, summary. It's not a book report. So that's an important distinction, something you want to avoid in the introduction. In the next section, we'll be talking about what to do between your hook or the very opening of the paper and your thesis statement, which should come at the end of the introduction. See you then.